Do professional painters use tape? Well, there seems to be a lot of controversy in the painters world, whether or not professional painters use tape or not. But in this video, I'm going to tell you that straight up, yes, professional painters use tape. And how do I know? Because it says painter's mate right in there. You see that? This is my mate. Painters do use tape because it's an important part of the trade. It's in their toolkit. And professionals, no matter who you are, you have tools, you have expertise, and you have tools, and you use these tools in order to accomplish what you're trying to do. And that's what makes you a professional. So I would say, yes, painters do use tape, but there is times and places that you don't want to use tape. Or, for example, it's not logical to actually use the tape. You see, tape protects things. If you're not painting the baseboard, it's generally wise to put a piece of tape on there if you're painting the walls, because then the splatter won't come down onto your baseboard. So if I was painting a room and I painted the ceiling, and then I painted the walls, and then I painted the trim last, generally speaking, I don't need tape because you can take off the faceplates. However, if you see a painter taping up faceplates, I might want to, think twice about whether or not they're the painter you want for the job, because it's easier to take off 2 screws, the faceplate comes off, and then you can paint behind it, let it dry properly, and then you can put it back on, which is an industry standard. But there are some times when you cannot take that faceplate off and you do need to use tape around it. So there is times when you do need to use tape on that kind of situation. So there are all different types of tape. There's blue tape, there's green tape, there's white tape. I've seen orange tape. They all have different adhesion properties. And I won't get into that in this video. But at the end of the day, you don't necessarily need tape all the time. However, painters, because they're professionals, and if you have a professional painter, they will use tape. So I'm Paul from Trusted House Painter. If you're looking for a professional painter that can help you get your job done, go to trustedhousepainter.com.